Number 4. Double click to rename. If you want to rename the page, you can not only just right click and rename, you can just double click on this one and you can rename it. It will rename. Not only in this area, if you want to change the table name as well, you can even do that. Say for example, this is the table. Just double clicking on that and renaming it. Click enter. Like how you do it in Excel as well. You just change the table name. Not only for the table name, and you can even change it for this one for the columns as well. And even in the fields for the tables as well, here it is a state and this is total. Actually the name is table total, so I'm just typing it on capital, the double click option, you just change it to total in the capital.